Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a crucial and informative topic. 5 essential vitamins to repair and protect your damaged nerves. Nerve health is vital for our overall well-being. And these vitamins play a significant role in supporting and healing our nerves. If you're looking to boost your nerve health and learn about these essential vitamins, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. But before we dive into these essential vitamins, if you find this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for more insightful videos on health and wellness. Vitamin number 1. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is one of the key players in nerve health. It supports the myelin sheath, the protective coating around nerves, and aids in the regeneration and repair of damaged nerves, ensuring you have enough vitamin B12 in your diet can help maintain healthy nerves. Vitamin number 2. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is not just for bone health. It also plays a significant role in nerve function. It supports nerve cell communication and helps with nerve repair. Spending time in the sun and incorporating vitamin D-rich foods can be beneficial for your nerve health. Vitamin number 3. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps protect nerves from oxidative stress and damage. It aids in maintaining the integrity of nerve cells and promotes nerve health. Including vitamin E-rich foods in your diet can provide essential support to your nerves. Vitamin number 4. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is another essential player in nerve function. It assists in the production of neurotransmitters that facilitate nerve communication, and it supports the health of nerve tissues. Ensuring your diet includes vitamin B6 sources can benefit your nerve health. Vitamin number 5. Vitamin C is not just for immune health. It also plays a role in nerve protection. As an antioxidant, vitamin C helps shield nerves from damage, and it is involved in the formation of collagen, which is a vital component of nerve tissues. By incorporating these essential vitamins into your diet, you can provide your nerves with the support they need to repair and protect themselves. Remember, nerve health is crucial for our overall well-being, and these vitamins can be beneficial for anyone looking to support their nerve function and protect their nerves from damage. In addition to these vitamins, there are a few lifestyle factors that can also contribute to nerve health. Maintaining a balanced diet, managing stress, staying physically active, and avoiding excessive alcohol and tobacco use are all factors that can positively impact your nerve health. If you suspect nerve damage or are experiencing symptoms like tingling, numbness, or weakness, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and guidance. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 5 essential vitamins for nerve health and additional tips to protect your nerves. I hope you found this video informative and gained valuable insights into caring for your nerves. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for more informative videos. Your support means the world to us, and I'm truly grateful for each one of you. Take care of your nerves, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.